Hi guys, Amelia Abel from New Horizons Lifestyle. Happy holidays. It's school holidays and I am at Symbio Wildlife Garden with the kids. We're at the kangaroo enclosure where you can feed the kangaroos. There's an awful lot of kangaroos here. And we are just taking some time out to be a family. Nathan's working at the minute, but we're going to enjoy the day and make some fun memories. Now, I have learned that trying to work through the holidays and have kids constantly frustrated, bored and irritated doesn't work. You've got to take a bit of time out, and so I encourage you, if you're trying to juggle working from home with the kids, can I suggest that you at least take a couple of hours out to really 100% focus on the kids, give them the attention they deserve, give them the attention you want to give them. Then everyone will be happy and you might even be able to get some uninterrupted time to finish your work. While they're, watching a movie after a day out where they're tired. So make time. It's really, really important to make time to reconnect, and everyone will be a lot happier for it. And we've got a short time before the end of the year. It will be a long couple of months if you're doing this tired, and if the kids are doing it frustrated and tired. So please, I encourage you, just even if it's a day, a weekend, a week, whatever it is, take some time out and reconnect, re-energize, revitalize, and finish this year strong. Have a great week, guys. Talk to you next week.